guys. Not only that, but then we also have the weekly AMA calls. The what are they called? Yeah, the AMA
Ask
calls
me anything
basically.
hour.
Yeah, that's it. Ask me anything hour. Yeah. So basically those calls, again, I can jump on those calls every week and I bounce ideas off of things that I know my customers are asking or thinking about doing, and I'm thinking about doing because I know that it may help them. So not only do I have the discovery calls available to you, available to us from you guys, but I also have the ability to ask questions during the week. And then we have the weekly partner calls where a specific subject matter is discussed and we can ask questions around that subject matter. So you guys are very open and always being available to provide us the assistance we need to be able to get a project going, scope that project out, get the proper expectations, and provide that information. And not only do you guys do it with us, but you guys jump on calls with us and our clients.
Yeah.
All right. Even though I'm your client, I'm Netlogic's client, you also jump on a call with us, acting as one of our team members or part of our team, and you help us during the sales process. You